Good morning, everyone. This is Venus Nirma Sabet. Today we will be diving into the concept of the word erudite using the 8 C's method. But before we begin, I'd like to explain these C's briefly. In this presentation, the word erudite will be analyzed based on 8 C's. First C is denotation, which is a word's core definition based on the context in which it is used in the text. The second C is literal and figurative meaning, which are literal and figurative interpretation of the word. The third C is called connotation, the emotional and associative undertone associated with the word. The fourth C is register, which is a level of formality or informality appropriate for using the word. And the fifth C is frequency, how commonly the word is used in academic context. The sixth one is word form, which are the different form or inflections of the word. And the seventh C is collocation, which means the word or phrases frequently appear with a selected word. And finally, the last one is the grammatical environment, means the syntactic pattern and structure in which the word commonly occurs. So today we begin our analysis with denotation of the word. Denotation is the meaning of the word. The word erudite refers to someone with great knowledge or learning, especially in a particular field or subject. It signifies a person who is scholarly, well-educated, and possesses extensive knowledge. In this slide, we are going to talk about literal and figurative meaning. The literal meaning of erudite pertains to someone who possesses deep knowledge and expertise in a specific area. Figuratively, it can imply intellectual sophistication or a high level of intelligence. And connotation of erudite. The connotation of erudite is generally positive and carries a sense of admiration or respect. It suggests intelligence, wisdom, and scholarly demeanor. It can also connote a certain level of formality and seriousness. The next C is register. The register of erudite is a formal word typically used in more elevated or academic contexts. It may not be as commonly used in informal or casual conversation. The word erudite is frequently used in academic contexts, particularly in scholarly writing, research papers, and discussions related to intellectual pursuit. It is less commonly used in everyday conversation. The word erudite is primarily an adjective, describing someone who is characterized by deep knowledge and learning. It does not have noun or verb form directly derived from it. Some typical collocation with erudite includes erudite scholar, erudite author, erudite discourse, erudite commentary, and erudite analysis. These collocations emphasize the scholarly and intellectual aspects of the word. And as grammatical environment point of view, the word erudite commonly appears in sentences where it modifies a noun to describe a person or their work. For example, the professor delivered an erudite lecture on astrophysics, or she is known for her erudite writing on ancient history. It is often used in a predictive or attributive position in sentence. Thank you all for being part of this learning process. To wrap it up, embracing the 8 C's of effective writing is a pathway to achieving mastery in academic communication. Through clarity, coherence, continuity, concession, comprehension, courtesy, cleverness, and citation, I will make impactful writing that meets the expectation of the major.